Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of premium travel with the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter VIP edition. This isn't just a van, it's a rolling luxury suite built for those who want to move in style, comfort, and privacy. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle stand out in the VIP transport class. Starting with the exterior. The 2026 Sprinter VIP maintains the classic Sprinter silhouette but adds a refined edge. The front fascia has been refreshed with a sleeker grille design, featuring chrome accents and the iconic three-pointed star badge. LED headlights now come with a sharper design and adaptive beam technology. The overall body is streamlined with subtle body lines, blacked-out windows for privacy, and optional 20-inch alloy wheels that give it a powerful road presence. The sliding doors are electric and smooth, adding to the executive feel. Every angle of the Sprinter screams exclusivity without being overly flashy. Now let's talk about the interior, where this van truly earns its VIP badge. The cabin is transformed into a private lounge, complete with reclining leather captain chairs, ambient lighting in customizable colors, and premium materials like suede headliners, wood trims, and metal finishes. The blue ambient lighting especially adds a modern and calming vibe, creating a first-class atmosphere on wheels. There's a smart entertainment system with high-definition displays, Bluetooth connectivity, a mini fridge, and even privacy curtains. Noise insulation has been improved significantly, making the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds. It also includes a control panel to manage lighting, temperature, and media, all from the comfort of your seat. Performance dash-wise, the 2026 Sprinter VIP doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It's tuned for smooth, effortless power delivery. And while it's not built for speed, it handles long journeys with grace and consistency. The suspension has been enhanced for passenger comfort, minimizing vibrations and road noise. Fuel efficiency is improved slightly compared to previous models, which is a nice bonus for fleet operators or long-distance travelers. As for pricing, the standard 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter starts around $50,000, but the VIP edition, depending on customization and features, can range anywhere between $100,000 to $160,000 or more. It's a significant investment, but for those seeking private, luxurious ground travel, it delivers exceptional value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think of this VIP van. Is it worth the upgrade? See you in the next video.